Choosing Tufts was the best decision that I could have made. Being able to get a quality degree from a highly reputable institution in 7 semesters instead of 9 was really, really attractive to me.
Our program really supports students and really takes that to heart. For students that are really looking for that supportive environment, but also students who are motivated and comfortable with a hybrid working environment, then I think that'd be a good program to seek out.
Once I learned about a hybrid program, it was really the only option for me. I have a family. I didn't want to have to travel an hour every day to get to a traditional program. I thought that it would just be awesome to be able to focus my time away from home in fixed chunks of time.
With it being hybrid, I'm not stuck in staying in one city. At the time, I was moving around, so I wasn't sure where I was going to reside. It allowed me to not push my goals and dreams back and still be able to go to the program no matter where I was going to stay.
Similar to the students, we don't have to live here. You can recruit the best faculty from all over the place, and they can live wherever they want to live. And then we all come together and learn together. It's such a cool environment. You don't get that anywhere else.
Tufts DPT curriculum allows students to live hybrid, so they get to stay home and then come to Boston for their lab immersions. They will also participate in 3 clinical education rotations that occur all throughout the country. Students should expect to relocate during those timeframes, even though the clinical education team will work really hard to keep them as close to home as possible. Having varied clinical rotations throughout the country exposes students to a wide variety of patient cases, cultural experiences, and really prepares them for not only just graduation, but beyond as a physical therapist as they enter the field.
Because we don't really have the geographic boundaries, we can recruit students from everywhere, from all different walks of life, from all different ethnicities and cultures and places in the country, and pull them together just when they come here for lab, but then they can go and live in the communities that they live in and hopefully work and serve in the communities that they come from.
I'm impressed by how all of our professors are still practicing clinically and how they're able to bring real life practical application. I really appreciate being able to speak to clinicians, not just professors.
How we prepare students, it kind of mirrors what we teach our students and to be a holistic practitioner, caring for the whole patient. From the faculty standpoint, we also kind of apply that in a different way to students where we try to, care for the whole student. We have a unique coaching program here, and we help to talk about their decision making and what goes into the questions that they have, or trying to point them towards resources. When they go into clinical practice, they're more self-driven with asking the right questions, seeking out resources. So I think that really helps prepare them professionally.
The relationship I have with my coach, I do feel the program did a really good job at selecting a coach that matched my personality. I think that has helped me feel more comfortable in the program and feeling like I had someone I can reach out to who's been through this already.
As someone who works well under pressure and who appreciates organization and values time, consolidating a program into 2 years instead of 3 with high-level faculty, classmates who are really focused has been awesome for me to just get in and get the work done and absorb as much material as I can. It's the best decision I've made yet.